Mama na see road o, we don carry Ole. This one na Ole, the road o. Machine, you don't cover your job. That machine now, to where they do.
Look at the flood everywhere. People are evacuating. Look at what flood is. Oh my God. You can see what is happening here. Look at flood everywhere. Oh my God. Some have trapped their man in their home. They cannot come out because of the flood. Look at this. Look at everywhere. People are passing away. Oh my God. It's like a river now because of flood. Oh my God.
Look at the man now riding on his bike. If that bike stop, like other one, other man, the bike will stop.
This is serious. Oh my God.